Cabagan Bridge has fell down. It fell down. It fell down. Santa Maria Bridge has fell down. My new Bridget. So, what made the Cabagan to Santa Maria Bridge sa Isabela collapse? What made the 1.2 billion peso bridge fall down? Ang tinuturong dahilan ay ang isang truck na may bigat na 102 tons kasama pa ang dalawang truck sa harap at likod nito in a bridge that can only handle 44 tons of weight. Pinaghahanap ngayon ang flagman na nagpapasok umano sa truck ng nasabing bridge. Unang inumpisahan ang konstruksyon nito noong 2014 and was built part by part dahil sa concerns dahil hindi raw ito earthquake-proof kaya ni-retrofit noong 2018. Unang inumpisahan ang konstruksyon nito noong 2014 and was built part by part dahil sa concerns unang inumpisahan ang konstruksyon nito noong 2014 and was built part by part. Pero dahil sa concerns dahil hindi raw ito earthquake-proof, ni-retrofit noong 2018 ang nasabing bridge na inabot ng 6 na taon to 2014. Initurong dahilan ng nasabing collapse bukod sa overloading ay ang design flaw dahil sa sobrang minimalist under-design corruption at form over function thinking. And corruption.
Design flaw. It is a design flaw. Mali yung design. Ang history kasi nito, dapat ang funding nito was supposed to be, ang project cost nito is 1.8 billion. So binawasan to under 1 billion para makamura. Ayan, inayos ngayon, ginawa ngayon yung detailed design. Design is really weak. Dahil kung tutusin ninyo, this is supposed to be a suspension bridge. Nakasabit. Ganyan yung arko na ganyan. Tapos yung bridge suportado ng kable. Ito lang ang suspension bridge na nakita ko sa buong mundo na hindi kable.